Hey scrappy friends, it's Ashley and today I am here to share an unboxing video with you for Studio Calico. I got the new Traveler's Notebook kit that they now have, and I ended up getting the subscription for it because I thought it was so cute and I wanted to share with you what's in the kit. So I actually just got this today and really haven't looked through the kit. But I kind of know what's included just from seeing everything online and what the designers have been creating with it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we've got in here. And I love these bags that Studio Calico uses. If you've gotten the scrapbook kit, you know that they use the bigger bags for the scrapbook kit, and they're really great for storing. I like to keep my kits included in the bag, and so that way I know which kit is which, and if I do want to mix things, then I can just go in each kit and take things out that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and kind of take everything out here. And like I said, this is for July, so this is the July 2018 kit, and you get the little card that tells you the name of the kit and kind of shows you the colors. It also lists the color theory ink colors that coordinate. So if you have these colors or want to pick those up, you can. And it'll coordinate when you're stamping with what's already in the kit. So that's really fun. And like I said, this is the Great Escape Traveler's Notebook main kit. Alright, so first thing that we have is this fun little stamp set. And it is from In a Creative Bubble. And I really like the sentiments. It's perfect for summer. It has relax, stay cool, yes, a little getaway, fun in the sun, and family vacation. And then the little circle here says under the sun. So this is great for vacation photos, if you're going to the pool, whatever you're doing for summer this year, just kind of hanging out. So those are really cute. We'll also have a washi tape, and this is fun. It has kind of polka dots on it. If you can see those, just a mix of different colors of polka dots, and they're kind of like little sketchy polka dots, kind of like you would just draw with like your pencil, and just kind of, they're not completely filled in and they're not completely perfectly round. So those are really fun. I like those a lot. And next we have these 4x6 little speech bubbles kind of stickers, and I haven't taken these out yet. So we'll see what's in here. It has a mix of circles and speech bubbles. And you actually get 2 sheets of these, which I love, because who doesn't end up using like their favorite thing and then wishing they had another one? I know I do that all the time. And so I really like these small circles here. They have AM, to do, PM, this, now, and then some of the speech bubbles say watching, on the schedule, today, don't forget. Today is the perfect day for a fresh start. And these are my favorite colors. Like, I love this color scheme with the pink and the teal and the yellow and kind of the melon color. I could use those colors all day long. I actually have a Traveler's Notebook spread today that I shared that has that color scheme. So that is one of my favorites, and I really like that. I'm going to try to organize everything a little bit better here on the side, keeping everything so you can see it. And then these are just some little icon stickers, and they are 4x3, and you also get 2 of these, and they're little tiny stickers. I actually thought they would be bigger, but I actually like that they're smaller since you're using them in a Traveler's Notebook. They have numbers, so you can see they go all the way up to 15, and then they have some little icons like a heart, an ampersand, a leaf, a sun, an asterisk, and a star. And then kind of just rotating with some other different ones here along each line. So those are really cute, and I like the bright pink. Those would really stand out on your Traveler's Notebooks layouts. Next up, these are clear sticker sheets. And I like that they're black because that always adds a good contrast to the other pops of color when you're working on a spread or a layout. And so you can see, let's see, I'm gonna move this back over here. So hopefully you can see that a little better. And it just has kind of some of the little banners that say right now, love this, AM, PM, today, today's list, today's goal, for the record, priorities. This has the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday abbreviations, which is really cute. Tomorrow is a new day. So good. Here, note, and yes. And then it has some of these little pieces here that are kind of like fill-ins for the banners. So if you wanted to maybe layer some of those or something, and then just some lines that are really fun. I really like those. You could just use those like on the corners of your photos if you wanted to, which would be really cool. And there is also a pack of transparency shapes. And these are always fun to use with, if you have a tiny attacher stapler, these are fun to use with that. It adds extra texture to your layout, and it helps to secure it without having to put a bunch of adhesive behind your shape. If you don't have one and you do need to use adhesive, I always suggest, like if you're doing the star, if you can see the star, just putting a little bit of adhesive behind it, and then you could add like another sticker or embellishment over that to kind of hide it. So you have a star and a diamond, a large heart. There is a fun little ampersand and another large yellow heart. The plus, that's kind of in the teal color. A light pink or salmon color asterisk, a smaller asterisk, and another teal heart, and another ampersand. This one's a little bit bigger than the pink one, and that's really fun. I like all of those, how you get a mix of the different shapes and having the different colors, so those are really fun. And I saved the best part for last. This is actually the insert, and I always have trouble opening up these little baggies, but I will not let it defeat me. So this is the insert for July, and I love the rainbow cover on it. It's really fun, and it has the little square here, so if you're doing it for the month or however you're documenting, you can stamp or put whatever you want to here. If you wanted to decorate it with some stickers, you could use any of the pieces that are already in the Traveler's Notebook kit. If you have the mega date stamp, you could stamp a date on the front if you wanted to. That would be really fun. But I wanted to look through this to see the papers, because that has been what I've been really excited about, because I know they have the pre-printed papers in these along with some white sheets, as you can see. So you get a mix of papers throughout the notebook, and I really like that. And it has some bolder patterns. If you are creating a spread or a layout in your Traveler's Notebook and you know that this is not going to work for what you're doing, you could actually just cut a piece of white cardstock, or maybe a thinner cardstock, like a 65-pound cardstock, to cover this page if you wanted to. Or if you wanted to do a different pattern paper, if you have some of your older Studio Calico kits that you want to use up, and you could add some of those patterns into the notebook if a page doesn't work for you. But I like how they have different things. Like this is really cute, and it kind of gives you something to base your design on when you get started working. This is really fun. You could add in stamping here, or you could add in some photos. And then you also have the printed side here with the fun little images. It has cactuses, watermelons, sunglasses, popsicles, lemon slices, all kinds of fun little things there. And this is a cute spread. I really like this one. That has the two printed pages side by side. This one just has like a little number countdown. And lines are always good to follow. These are great if you're journaling or stamping. It gives you a straight line to go ahead and follow, because I am the worst when it comes to straight lines. I'm gonna bend it back a little bit. This is cute too. It's kind of just a grid design on both of these sides, so I really like that one. And I've seen this one online before my kit came, and I really love this heart. I thought that was cute. At first, when I first saw it, I can't remember which design team member posted, but I thought they had actually stamped it before I realized that it was one of the pre-printed pages in the insert. And so here's another rainbow paper, so you actually do get that rainbow pattern inside the notebook. And I like that they paired that with this kind of like lighter, more subtle graph paper on this side, so it's not too busy, with two different pattern papers there. This one is really cute. It looks like a stamping paper where they've stamped and then stamped the outline, so that's really cute with some fruit, and that would be great for like summer snacks or anything like that you might have. This one just has the simple little morning and evening half circles, which is really cute. And this one is fun, just all the little pink arrows kind of going every which way. They're just kind of doodled on that pattern paper, and it's a light pink with a hot pink arrow. More stripes. You can never go wrong with stripes. I always like those. And then polka dots. These are fun. I like how they're kind of the rainbow colors and they fade into one another. And this is another one of my favorite ones that I've seen some of the design team already using. This is really fun. You can go ahead and add your photos there. You could do journaling there, whatever you wanted to. I really like that one, that pre-printed page. And then this has those colors, the pink and yellow and kind of a darker melony kind of pink color, some of my favorites. And then this just has a subtle polka dot pattern kind of with that same rainbow color. This one is fun. I'm not a big fan of purple. I can wear purple, but I usually do not like to use purple in my scrapbooking. I know that Paige Taylor Evans had some kind of purpley color in her Pick Me Up collection, and I really liked working with some of it, so maybe kind of giving purple a little bit of a chance. I don't know how much, it's probably a small chance because like I said, I like to wear it, but trying to do it in my spreads and my layouts is usually not my thing. Sometimes for Halloween I can handle it, but we'll see how that goes. And then this is cute, kind of just like a little fruit pattern on a dark background. And then this is the last. It's just the white and the little graph paper like you have again on the front. So that's pretty much everything that is in the July kit. And like I said, I ended up subscribing for the year for these kits. So hopefully I'll be able to get a unboxing video done for you for each kit each month. So if you want to check this out or any of the new stamps that they have in the shop right now, I will actually leave a link down below so you can check that out if you want to. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or let me know what you think about the kit. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing, and I'll see you again for my next video. Thanks so much for watching.